being a small girl from Lucknow, मैंने धूप में बैठ के बाल सुखाए हैं बाहर. And that's a fact. कैफे में बैठी थी जब आलिया भट्ट just crossed me. I can't lose weight, I can't gain weight. मैंने around 7 months, I gave in day and night to lose 18 kgs. The prep started a year back with special moment. कोई ऐसा incident and it causes like people trip over your dresses and I never step out of my, like from bathroom to bedroom also, I'll not go without sunscreen. So I really enjoy it. I cannot do cardio. So I believe in sound healing. My fitness inspiration, I think me myself. On my bag is Labubu these days. He's dressed up in Gucci right now and I take care of him. He travels with me. I make sure like I have 7 of them. So I bought 7 of them.
Hi everybody, my name is Deepti Sadhwani and you're watching me on Fit Stuck.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Fit Stuck. Today we are joined by the very gorgeous Deepti Sadhwani with us. Hello Deepti. How are you? I'm good, looking lovely. Welcome to Fit Stuck. Thanks, Pio. So Deepti, as we saw your Khan's picture, you were looking lovely. So I want to know what was your, inspiration? What was the inspiration behind your outfit this year? So my outfit that I wore on the closing ceremony, it was a Cleopatra-inspired outfit by Kushta and Mary, and I was styled by Sachi Juneja. And the outfit talks about how strong, fierce, and regal a woman can be, how strong-headed and unapologetic about women empowerment. So it resonated with my personality, and that's how I chose to wear such a strong statement outfit. Well, it was looking lovely though. Also, Deepti, as you know, Khan's is a very big event. So how you prepared yourself? मतलब आपने when you got the invite, I'm sure आपने कुछ किया होगा इससे पहले related to your fitness journey or skincare journey. Actually, the prep started a year back when I did previous scans, and I decided that this year I will be going in with my movie. So first step was to do such a movie which is मतलब Khan's जाने like हो वो मूवी, उसके लेवल की शॉर्ट फिल्म होनी चाहिए, क्राइटेरिया सारे फुल होने चाहिए. सो सबसे पहले तो मैंने मूवी के लिए प्रिपेयर किया एंड आई डिड दैट मूवी जो भेजी गई कांस फिल्म फेस्टिवल के लिए. देन फाइनली इट वाज एयर्ड एट भारत पवेलियन, हाँ सितारा. एंड सबसे पहले तो वो स्टेप था. फिर फिटनेस की बात करें तो फिटनेस मैंने अराउंड 7 months आई गिव इन डे एंड नाइट टू लूज 18 kgs. And I wanted to fit into those perfect outfits जो शायद मैं अगर मोटी होती, मतलब I'm not saying मोटा पतला for a look wise, but it was more of like a mental transformation and a mental journey for me, and I wanted to get at a certain weight to fit into those designer outfits and be there at the red carpet. And then after outfits के measurements जा चुके थे, तो उसके बाद I can't lose weight, I can't gain weight क्योंकि एक particular measurement से बने हुए. So after measurements, after the first trials, I had actually lost more weight. So then the designers asked me to gain back because they are made at a certain size and I cannot lose also. So I had to stay at a certain calorie count per day so that I don't gain, I don't lose. Then skin care, I think skin care, Khan's से ज़्यादा I personally take care of my skin really well. I make sure कि मैं हर रोज़ हर रात कितनी भी नींद में हो मैं मेकअप हटा के अपने पूरा स्किन केयर रूटीन प्रॉपरली करके आई स्लीप. मैं वन थिंग दैट आई रियली स्वेयर बाय इज अ सनस्क्रीन. I never step out of my, like from bathroom to bedroom also, I'll not go without sunscreen. I swear by it. And the normal face masks and the clinical treatments that you do for your skin, the dermat treatments and all of that. So with or without cans, I always try to take care of my skin, drink enough water, drink juices and hydrate myself, and sleep is very important for me. I try to sleep well. Yes, especially before red carpet today, I was like, I want 8 hours sleep. I cannot do, otherwise makeup will not look good on me. Just for that natural glowy skin, I need that sleep.
Any 3 tips अगर आप हमें अपनी जर्नी से देना चाहें, क्योंकि जैसे आपने कहा आपने इतना massive weight loss transformation किया, so any 3 tips?
I think one easy way for people is keeping a calorie count. So I went up to like 600 calories per day, but 1200 is ideally that you should stick on. Intermittent fasting is very useful for me. Of course, it's like different body types.
But for me, 16 hours intermittent and like zipping my mouth after 6 p.m. really helped me a lot. और तीसरा किसी भी फॉर्म का वर्कआउट, आपको अगर बैडमिंटन खेलना है, साइकिल चलाना है, क्रिकेट खेलना है, वॉलीबॉल खेलना है या स्विमिंग करना है, लाइक मेरे लिए बॉक्सिंग रियली वर्क्स अ लॉट. क्योंकि मुझे ऐसा लगता है मैं अपना पूरा फ्रस्ट्रेशन, एंगर मैनेजमेंट है वो मेरे लिए रादर दैन वर्कआउट. सो आई रियली एन्जॉय इट. आई कैन नॉट डू कार्डियो. सो मुझे ना लाइक लिटरली द ट्रेनर हैज़ टू बी ऑन माई हेड टू मेक मी डू कार्डियो. आई हेट डूइंग कार्डियो. If you give me weight training, I'll do it. If you give me swimming, I'll enjoy. Aerial yoga, I enjoy. Yeah. I don't enjoy slow yoga also. So I need like, intense. हाँ, मुझे लटका दो ऊपर से उल्टा करके तो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है. मुझे लगता है wow, like I enjoy this session. So that is there with me. And boxing तो I simply love it. तो ये मतलब किसी भी form का your body gives you workouts पसंद है. But for every individual, it might be different. Yeah. I believe if your body works for you 17, 18 hours in a day, you cannot work for your body for 1 hour, right? Your mind, your brain, your entire body is working for you throughout the day. आप 1 घंटा अपनी बॉडी के लिए उठ के मेहनत कर लो तो वो बहुत सारी बीमारियाँ दूर हो जाती हैं इंसान की. So I feel that.
Apart from yoga and gym, आप कोई और practices में है for mindfulness, meditation or anything to give yourself a break from the stressed life?
So I believe in sound healing. So that is something that I truly, I go for sound healing sessions a lot. Meditation मुझसे ज़्यादा नहीं होता है. So sound healing is very easy for me because like the sound healer makes you and puts you into a deep thought and almost like a sleep session. तो वो मेरे लिए easy हो जाता है क्योंकि सामने वाला इंसान मुझसे करा रहा है. मैं खुद से ज़्यादा meditate नहीं कर पाती हूँ. I'm very hyperactive person and मुझे हमेशा कुछ ना कुछ मेरे दिमाग में चल रहा होता है. So till the time the healer puts me to sleep, I cannot go off to sleep easily. So I need that. But as I say, aerial yoga really helps me a lot. It put my mind and brain together. And yeah, that's about it.
Okay, talking about Cannes, बहुत सारे celebrities आए थे, ऐश्वर्या राय, शर्मिला टैगोर, all the famous celebrities there. तो उनके बीच में you were walking the red carpet. So how was that feeling for you?
See, when the closing ceremony happened, I walked down the red carpet and I went inside जहाँ पे ceremony चल रही थी. तो वहाँ पे screen पे सामने दिखाई देता है कि who's walking next, and there was Alia Bhatt right after me, and I watched her. And nobody had seen her in that sari till the time I saw it on the screen. Like, oh my God, she looks amazing. And the most एक प्राउड फीलिंग वाला मोमेंट तब था जब when they announced the jury, because closing ceremony में all the jury members come and they sit in front and the awards are announced. So then they call upon Payal Kapadia, and she was a jury member amongst all like Julia Roberts and all the other famous international celebrities. She was there. It was like, oh my God, like this is a moment that last year we had her movie All As We Imagine Is Light, and then this year as a jury member. I think kudos to her, and of course other Aishwarya, Sharmila Tagore ji, and there were a lot of Indian celebs, and Janvi was there, and the Homebound movie was also there. So I think India is doing amazing when it comes to getting our country on the global map. Not only Cannes but other places as well. So India is making. Yes, thank you.
कोई भी एक ऐसा मोमेंट आप अगर शेयर करना चाहे, बताना चाहे हमारे ऑडियंस को, जो वो इस साल या पिछले साल कांस का कोई स्पेशल मोमेंट या कोई ऐसा इंसिडेंट सीक्रेट जो बताना चाहें?
इस साल एक्चुअली एक दिन पहले आउटफिट्स का चेंज हो गया था. लाइक द वेबसाइट सेड कि नाउ यू कांट वेयर वॉल्यूमनस गाउन, यू कैन नॉट वेयर ट्रेल्स. और हमने तो ट्रेल और वो वॉल्यूमनस गाउन बना के हम रेडी बैठे हुए थे जाने के लिए. तो फिर पता चला यू कांट वेयर इट, एंड माई फ्रेंड्स वर इवन डिनाइड एंट्री. दे हैड टू कट डाउन देयर ट्रेल्स बिकॉज दे आर नॉट अलाउड टू वेयर देम ऑन द रेड कार्पेट एनी मोर, which makes sense also because it's more about films and it causes like people trip over your dresses and हाँ ऐसा होता था. मतलब they need to 45 minutes का रेड कार्पेट होता है, उसमें इनको इतने सारे लोगों को इंक्लूड करना है, वो कैमरामैन को सबको क्लिक करना है. तो जब एक जना इतने लंबे ट्रेल के साथ आता है तो वो बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम ले लेते हैं और अंदर बैठने में भी दिक्कत होती है थिएटर में, टू बी ऑनेस्ट. बट डूइंग दिस 24 hours बिफोर इज़ नॉट अ brilliant idea. Yeah, but the French people can do anything anytime, that's a fact. So वो थोड़ा था कि मतलब लास्ट में चेंजेस हो गए थे बहुत ज़्यादा. और क्लोजिंग सेरेमनी वाले डे देयर वाज अ कंप्लीट ब्लैकआउट इन हाफ फ्रांस रीजन. There was no mobile network. There was no mobile data. Not even normal calling. There was no electricity. You didn't have like. There was nothing. It was a complete blackout. We didn't even know कि closing ceremony होगा कि नहीं. In fact, I posted about it on my social media.
So how you manage this wardrobe crisis?
Wardrobe crisis though, we had 1 week. We did that because then I went for the closing. I did not do the opening. And but electricity was very weird. Like if you see the last look, I have done like a braid, a bubble braid. क्योंकि हम ना बाल कर्ल कर सकते थे ना हम ब्लो ड्राई कर सकते थे. मैंने धूप में बैठ के बाल सुखाया बाहर. एंड दैट्स अ फैक्ट. कैफ़े में बैठी थी जब आलिया भट्ट जस्ट क्रॉस्ड मी एंड देन शी इज़ ऑल्सो लुकिंग फॉर फूड बिकॉज कैफ़ेज़ वगैरह सब चलना बंद हो गया बिकॉज इंडक्शन पे चलता है वहाँ पे ज़्यादा. एंड कार्ड स्वाइप नहीं हो सकते हैं, सिर्फ कैश पे मिल रहा था. वो भी कोल्ड फूड लाइक यू नो सैलड्स एंड ऑल वो सब मिल रहा था. वी डिडंट नो क्या होने वाला है. सब एक दूसरे से पूछ रहे थे क्या हुआ है. आई हैव हर्ड देयर इज अ साइबर अटैक. आई हैव हर्ड देयर इज अ फायर. लाइक पीपल आर जस्ट टॉकिंग लाइक दिस अमंग देमसेल्फ. इज योर फोन वर्किंग, इज योर फोन वर्किंग. सब यही चल रहा था. तो मेकअप आर्टिस्ट से कैसे कॉन्टैक्ट करे पता नहीं, फोटोग्राफर से कैसे. इट वॉज वेरी डिफिकल्ट. लाइक फाइनली फिर 2 बजे जाके 1 बजे जाके फ़ोन पे थोड़ा सा नेटवर्क आया था. सो वी रीच प्लेसेस एंड देन देयर वाज इलेक्ट्रिसिटी एट आई थिंक 3:30 राइट बिफोर वी वर गोइंग फॉर द बैकअप.
आई एम श्योर अभी इंसिडेंट कभी नहीं हो जाता है.
बिल्कुल भी नहीं. तो मतलब इंडिया में भी नहीं होता है कैसे कि एटलीस्ट वी हैव पावर बैकअप. दे नॉट प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर इट बिकॉज वहाँ पे लाइट जाती नहीं है. सो देयर वाज नो जेन सेट और एनी इन्वर्टर्स और एनीथिंग.
ओके सो आपके लिए एक क्विक रैपिड फायर है मेरे पास. ओके एक ऐसा ब्यूटी प्रोडक्ट जिसके बिना आप रह नहीं सकते, लाइक यू कांट लिव विदाउट.
या फिर ब्रांड और
एनी प्रोडक्ट लाइक यू नो मिस्ट, सनस्क्रीन, लिप बाम.
sunscreen and miss all 3 of them and my night cream also. I need my particular night cream every like I have a sleeping phobia if I don't get my night cream. Yeah, I need my night cream that you know repairing the skin like severe moisturizing. I need that.
विकेट हो गई है तो
बहुत ज़्यादा हो गया.
रील और रियलिटी.
Reel, of course. Like I think reality should be incorporated in a reel because that's what your audience want: authenticity and realisticness today. So if you need to connect with your audience, you cannot be fake today. They know it.
Okay. Late night shoots or early morning glam?
I am not a very early waker, but yeah, like afternoon type is nice. Not even like night shoots. I don't like it. It's very tiring. Like I hate late night shoots. But yeah, like throughout the day is okay.
Okay. Your fitness inspirations?
My fitness inspiration, I think me myself. I inspire a lot of people, and the way I see myself transformed, I'm myself a motivation.
Right. What's one thing that's always in your bag?
On my bag is Labubu.
Yeah, I can see that's Labubu. So, like, was there this trend that, you know, like, forced you to buy this, or like you are loving this now?
No, I'm actually in love with Labubu. Like, I actually take care of him. I show it also. Yeah, of course. So, I like dress him up. Like, he's dressed up in Gucci right now. And, you know, I take care of him. He travels with me. I make sure, like, I have 7 of them. So,
7?
Yeah, I bought 7 of them.
Oh my God.
And I like pair them with different bags. And he's there with me while he travels. So, it's a trend in which is, you won't realize till you have it. Okay. The moment you have it, that's when you start connecting with it. It's like a pacifier, I think, for people. Like, you know, it's just there with you all the time. Like, if he's missing from the bag, it's like, where is it? Where is it?
It's like a little child now.
Yeah, it is. I have a place for him to sleep separately, like a cradle for him. I have like clothes for him, Pinterest, and like special small hangers. Yeah.
Oh, that's really cute.
And in my bag is generally lip gloss, lip balm, so perfume. I mean, yeah, that's all. Like,
okay. So that was very quick rapid fire, Deepti. So before we let you go, आप एक कोई मैसेज देना चाहें उन क्रिएटर्स को, उन लोगों को जो आपसे इन्फ्लुएंस होते हैं, आज आपकी जर्नी देख रहे हैं, जो कांस जैसे बिग इवेंट पे जाने का एस्पायर करते हैं. Any message you want to give?
I think I'd like to say one thing: that follow your heart, follow your dreams, follow your passion. If you really want to be there, just manifest it. Last year I manifested at this place itself. I was having an interview over there, and I was asked, what is one thing that we manifest for next year? I said, I want to go with my movie next year. Maybe that. And it actually happened. So if you manifest and work towards it also, सिर्फ manifest करके घर पे नहीं बैठना है, काम भी करना है उसके लिए. Work towards it. Work in the right direction. Seek for help if you think that you cannot do it on your own. Seek for help, and you will be there. There's nothing known as impossible on this planet. I've seen it, I've done it, being a small girl from Lucknow, not that I be there on this global platform today and doing all these fashion weeks and camps and all. I didn't know I could do it, but I pursued my dreams and I knew I had to do this and I actually did this. So can you.
Well, that's lovely. Thank you so much, Deepti, for being here today. Well, that was Deepti Sadhwani. Thank you so much, everyone. Keep watching Fit Talk.
Thank you.